The 2016-2020 Kia Sorento key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. Use a high-quality brand like Energizer or Duracell to prevent corrosion and ensure longevity. Gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key to pry open the fob. Some models may also have a small jeweler's screwdriver for an internal screw. Work on a clean surface to prevent dust from entering the fob, and wear gloves to avoid transferring oil and fingerprints. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob, usually with a small notch. Insert the flathead screwdriver or key into this notch and gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. If there's a screw, use your jeweler's screwdriver to remove it first. Once open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with positive side up. Install the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the two halves of the fob back together, ensuring they are securely closed. Test the functionality of the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons.